Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Happy Easter po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Panginoon sa pagtitipon sa atin ngayong umagang ito. Now that we are celebrating the third Sunday of Easter, and as we continue this joyful season of Easter, let us continue to acknowledge and live with the good news of the risen Lord in our midst. Palagay ko naman po ay wala po sa ating dito ang gustong makilala tayo o gustong maalala tayo sa isang masamang pangyayari o kaganapan. None of us would not want to be known or to be recognized with something bad attributed to us. We wish that we will be remembered and we will be known at least by one speck of goodness that we've shared to others, or God's mercy, yung tanang buhay ho natin, hindi nila makakalimutan dahil may inambag tayong maganda para sa kanilang buhay. We've heard once more in our readings today how Peter stood in the midst of these people and boosted the gift of his memory, recognizing once more the presence of Jesus. Though he was condemned to death, he was crucified, he was hated by people, but we know for Peter that he will remember Jesus in the very goodness of his life. That this man was commended by God. He did mighty deeds, wonders, and signs. God worked in their midst as they themselves know. Malinaw kay Pedro na ang alaala at ang pagkakakilala niya kay Jesus lagi ay yung mga magagandang ginawa niya sa kanyang buhay. And this resounds in our second reading today from the first letter of Peter, that once more, the memory of God's beauty and goodness resounded at the heart of the writer of the first letter of St. Peter, that Jesus was made known in the foundation of the world, that we believe in Him, that He was raised from the dead, was given glory, so that our faith and hope may be secured. And this third Sunday of Easter, we once more heard of the gospel of the road to Emmaus. And this is beautifully painted, hand-painted in our Paschal candle. Mamaya po siguro after the Mass, you can come and see how the icon was beautifully painted. And the gift of memory once more resounded inside the hearts of Cleopas and the other disciple. The gospel today ended with the words, "The two recounted what had taken place on the way and how he was made known to them in the breaking of the bread." Nakilala nila si Jesus noong hinati ni Jesus ang tinapay, at marahil noong ibigay din ni Jesus ang alak sa dalawang ito. Let's go a little backtrack, my dear sisters and brothers. This is an Easter Sunday story. What happened some 3 days before this happened? What was the command of Jesus to His disciples? We celebrated that during Holy Thursday, when He said to His disciples, "Do this in memory of me." That when you break the bread, that when you share the cup, you do this in memory of me. Kaya noong nakita nila na itong taong hindi nila kilala And shall we say this foreigner that these two disciples were walking along with broke the bread, shared the cup with them, they said to themselves, ikaw nga pala iyan. Si Jesus ka nga pala. Totoo nga muling nabuhay ka. And that was a good memory to them. Nakilala at naalala nila si Jesus sa isang magandang alaala na siya yung nagbigay sa amin ng pagkain, siya yung nagbigay sa amin ng inumin, siya yung nagtipon na sa amin nung gabing iyon at totoo nga nabuhay na siyang magmuli. And my dear brothers and sisters, this is a very good challenge and a very good Easter message to all of us. When we wish to be known or when we wish to be remembered, let us be remembered with and in the beautiful things that we've shared with others. Maalala at makilala dahil sa magandang alaala. Maalala at makilala dahil sa magandang alaala. Marahil noong mga unang panahon at mga unang oras ng unang linggo ng pagkabuhay, they've been remembering Jesus that, ito nga po yung kwento natin na sa araw na ito. Their first memory of Jesus was disappointment. Siya pa naman yung magliligtas sa amin. We've heard these women said to us that they went to the tomb of Jesus and they found nothing. They found only angels, reported that He was gone. Nadismaya sila, yung una nilang alaala marahil pagkadismaya na hindi niya tinupad yung kanyang mga gawain. But the story beautifully ended with a beautiful and good memory that this man broke the bread with us and shared the table with us. Sana ho, pagka tayo ay lumaki, maaalala tayo ng mga kabataan na ayan yung taong nagdala sa akin nung minsan nangangarap akong pumunta sa Manila Cathedral. That every time we will be seen by these people, that will be their alaala and their pagpapakilala sa atin. Siya yung nagdala sa akin sa simbahang ito. Maalala at makilala tayo ng mga tao dahil sa gitna ng krisis ko sa buhay na ito, siya yung nagpaaral sa akin. Siya yung umambag para kahit papano may pangtustos ako, makapang-araw-araw ako. Let us be known and be remembered by the little bit of goodness that we have. Na ito yung babaeng katabi ko, no? Siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng upuan, kaya ngayon magkatabi kami ngayon sa simbahan. Ito yung taong nangumusta sa akin out of nowhere. Dahil marahil naramdaman niya na may kinakailangan akong mapakinggan o kinakailangan kong ng isang taong makinig sa akin. Maalaala at makilala dahil sa magandang alaala. And let us not live these days of our lives that we will be known and remembered because we have done something bad to us or to others. Nakilala nila si Jesus sa magandang alaala ng paghahati ng tinapay. At sana wag po nating maalaala at makilala ang bawat isa dahil sinugatan niya ang puso ko. Dahil binigo niya ako. Dahil naging masama siya sa akin. At wag nating ambagana ang bawat puso ng tao sa mga bagay na iyon. Let us be known and be remembered about the beautiful things that we have done. And let us continue this story of our road not only to Emmaus, but back to Jerusalem, reporting to others that like Cleopas and the other disciple, we have seen the Lord because we have known and recognized Him in the beautiful thing He has done to us. And we will go back to our own families, to our friends and to our communities, telling one another, I have seen the Lord. Nakilala ko siya at naalala ko siya dahil sa magandang alaala. At mabuhay tayo sa mga susunod na araw. Mahal ko ang kapatid ko, mahal ko ang mga tao sa paligid ko dahil inaalala at nakilala ko sila dahil sa magandang alaala.